राह रास्त लिए चलेंगे आपको नायब वज़ीर आज़म इसहाक़ डार तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Of laying the foundations of Pakistan Air Force. These exceptional, men belong to Poland, but Pakistan lays claim to them in equal measures and continues to remember them as our national heroes. We take inspiration from Poland's long struggle for its freedom and sovereignty against formidable odds. It is not an exaggeration to state that modern-day Europe owes quite a lot to the founder of Poland's Second Republic. The remarkable transition and economic success Poland had achieved since 1991 to now become a $1 trillion economy is truly impressive. We are still less than half of your size of your economy. We congratulate Poland on the successful and smooth presidential elections. We hope that our bilateral relations will continue to follow an upward trajectory, and this is going to be one of the first of your...
I wished I could have arrived during our presidency, but rest assured I will convey everything that we've discussed to Kaja Kallas, to my EU colleagues. And I'm glad to say that relations between Poland and Pakistan are good. Not that intense, but good. There are no outstanding issues, and we have things to offer to each other and important challenges in our respective neighborhoods. We were both victims.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।